Witnesses also say lightning started a fire near Briggs in Burnet County. As of last check, it burned about 40 acres. Crews are still working hard to get this one knocked out because the fire started behind some heavy brush. Firefighters did have some trouble accessing it at first. U.S. Forest Service brought in extra firefighters to fight this fire. Nearby homeowners initially were excited when those clouds rolled in.
We thought we was going to get some rain, but we didn't. We got fire instead.
It's crazy.
Well, crews have been working throughout the night to keep the fire under control and to stop it from spreading.